How do I stop automatic payments from my Rocket Money? Intro. Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? It's a common experience, and one that can be especially frustrating when you realize it's due to automatic payments you've forgotten about. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Rocket Money and explore how you can put a stop to those unexpected withdrawals. Understanding Rocket Money. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of stopping automatic payments, let's take a quick look at what Rocket Money is. It's a personal finance app designed to help you manage your finances more effectively. One of its key features is the ability to set up automatic payments for recurring bills. While this can be convenient, it can also lead to surprises if you're not careful. So, let's explore how you can regain control of your finances and stop those unwanted automatic payments. Method 1. Stopping payments within the Rocket Money app. The easiest way to stop automatic payments is often right within the Rocket Money app itself. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Rocket Money app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Bills section. This is usually where you manage your recurring payments. Find the specific bill you want to stop. Tap on the bill to view its details. Look for an option to cancel or stop payment. This might be a button or a toggle switch. Confirm your decision to cancel the payment. Method 2. Contacting Rocket Money customer support. If you can't find the option to stop payments within the app, or if you're having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. They can assist you in canceling the automatic payments. Here are a few ways to contact customer support. In-app chat. Many apps have an in-app chat feature where you can directly message a customer service representative. Email. Look for a customer support email address on Rocket Money's website. Phone. If available, call the customer support number listed on the website. Troubleshooting tips. Check your payment history. Ensure that the payment you want to stop is indeed an automatic payment and not a one-time payment. Review your settings. Double-check your Rocket Money settings to make sure there aren't any other options or configurations that might be affecting your automatic payments. Be patient. It may take a few days for the changes to take effect and for the automatic payments to stop. Additional considerations. Direct debits. If you've set up direct debits through Rocket Money, you might need to contact your bank or the company you're paying to cancel the direct debit. Recurring subscriptions. For recurring subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify, you'll typically need to cancel the subscription directly with the service provider. Review your budget. Once you've stopped unwanted automatic payments, take the opportunity to review your budget and ensure you're spending your money wisely. Conclusion. Stopping automatic payments from Rocket Money can be a simple process if you know where to look and how to proceed. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can regain control of your finances and avoid unexpected withdrawals. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.